What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're unboxing the 2022 Hot Wheels B case. I get all of my cases from granitetoys.com. If you want to get your own Hot Wheels cases sent to you, go check out granitetoys.com. Links in the description box below. The treasure hunt of this case is the Quick Bite, and the super treasure hunt of this case is the 1973 BMW 3.0 CSL race car. Hopefully we find one of these in this case. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it. And we'll start it up at the top right here. And our first car that we have is the Skull Crusher. And our second car is one that I'm very excited about because you guys know the McLaren F1 is my favorite car. We have the new recolor of the McLaren F1 GTR, and it looks fantastic in this teal color with the colored wheels on there. Next, we have the Roadster Bite. We'll move those on to the side. And up top, we've got our treasure hunt of the case. We found the Quick Bite. Check it out. It's got hot dogs written on the side of it with a big hot dog just down there. Very, very cool. And if you actually kind of look behind it, you can't really see. If we kind of look through the car, you can see there is a treasure hunt logo within there. We also do have the treasure hunt logo just on the back right here of the Quick Bite. So very cool. We found the treasure hunt of the case right away as well. We found the minecart as well, and we got twinning and winning in the Hot Wheels Racing Team livery. We'll put those aside. Next up, we've got the Tooligan and the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. We saw that one in our previous case. And we have Street Cleaver. Street Clever? I'm not sure the exact pronunciation. That's a new casting. Very, very cool. Part of like a construction series. We have the HW Metro series now, but that is very, very nice to have a new casting like that. Next up on the top right here, we've got the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. We saw that one in the previous case as well. Mazda REPU. And we've got a new recolor of the Locomotorin. That is cool with the chrome on the top and then the darker color on the base. We actually saw previously a fully chrome one of these, so that's an interesting touch to that new casting as well. I'll put that aside, and then up top right here, we've got the Volkswagen Beetle. Very, very nice to see a new kind of like a woody addition to that. And we've got the Tesla Cybertruck from the HW Hot Trucks. And this one will just have, I think it's slightly different wheels compared to the other castings. I'm really not sure why we just keep getting the same colorway of the Tesla Cybertruck. Hopefully we'll get maybe a black one or a white one or some sort of green one or something like that. That'd be cool to get a different color besides just kind of that raw finish to it, which is just what it is in real life. But in the future, we'll possibly get some more. Then we've got the Nash as well. That's a nice one. We saw that one in our previous case though. Up top right here, we've got the Fast Fish right there. Very, very cool. And we've got Bricking Trails. That is a new casting as well. And that's part of that Mega Block series, so we can fit Mega Block and Lego, kind of go hand in hand, but they can fit right on this car as well. That's really, really cool. We also got another nice one here. We got the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. Check that out. That is really cool. Look at the spoiler on the back of that one. Hot Wheels written on the side of it. Very, very cool to see that one. That's a new one for 2022. Nice, nice, nice. We've got the Volkswagen Golf MK1, the tuned out variation. We've got a new colorway of the Ford Focus RS in that nice light blue color. And we've got the Skull Shaker. Looks like a new color of that one as well. Very nice. We'll put those aside. And then we'll pull out the 76 Corvette Greenwood. We've got the Track Manga, brand new color of that one. And La Fasta, very cool. All right, we'll put those aside. What else do we have? We have another Mazda REPU pickup. We've got Big Rig, and we've got the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Truno. We did see that one in the previous case as well. And we've got the Disney Steamboat. Is that a new color of that one? That is a new color of the Disney Steamboat. We've got Track Manga again and the Baja Bone Shaker. And we have flyby. Very cool. I like that. We've got the Batman Akram Aslam Batmobile in there as well, and a new color of the 2016 Cadillac ATS VR. Wow, that is a really cool new color for that Cadillac. Can't wait to open that one up in a future video. And we've got, for the last cars of our first half of the case here, we've got the Tooligan, we've got the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, and that is an interesting color for that Gasser. We also have another Tesla Cybertruck as well. Very cool that we got two of those in this case so far. And let's go down to the second half, or the bottom half of the case right here. Pull that packaging aside. We'll start off at the top right here. Oh, we've got a new color of the 2020 Jeep Gladiator with the Borla written on the side of it. We've got the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Truno and the Velosa Racer. Look at that one in that nice red color. And we'll put those aside. We'll grab the other cars at the top right here. We've got a 57 Chevy. Look at the color of that one. That is crazy. It looks like a matte red with the matte white finish on there. Very, very cool. I can't wait to open that one up. 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class and the 85 Honda City Turbo 2. Those ones we both saw in the previous case. And we'll go ahead, grab the top right here. We've got the standard carts, Fast Fish, and Fast Gassin'. All right. And what else do we have? We've got a Let's Go, another tuned Volkswagen Golf MK1, and we've got the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, again, another one of those ones in that interesting new color. And what else do we have? We've got the La Fasta, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Borla Edition again, and a Porsche 935. I absolutely love that casting. Can't wait to see more recolors of that one. And we'll go up top right here. We've got the 1970 Pontiac Firebird, and this one is your Hot Wheels Legends Tour winning car right there. So Hot Wheels, here, so we'll look at the top right there. There we go, Legends Tour winner. So every year we have the Hot Wheels Legends Tour, and that is your winning car. I really like that. Very, very cool customization on there. Looks absolutely fantastic. So it's really cool that that was made into a Hot Wheels casting. We also did get the 70 Chevelle right there, and a Bogzilla. And going down to the next cars here, we've got the Bubble Manic, another one of the Batmobiles right there. That's the Akram Aslam Batmobile, and another Volkswagen Beetle, that Woody on the side of it. We saw at the start of this case as well. I'll put those aside. We'll go down right here. We've got the Car de Asada, the Fast Gassin', and Twinnin' and Winnin'. All right, some great cars in this case so far. There's another one of the 1970 Pontiac Firebirds, the Legends Tour winner. We've got another Brickin' Trails right there. And we have our 55 Chevy. This one is a supercharged runs in the 2022 A case, but we've just got the mainline variation of it. So very nice to have a mainline variation of that car right there. We've got some more cars here. We've got another Porsche 935, another Ford Focus RS, and we've got the Mighty K, a new casting for 2022. We'll put those ones aside. Getting down to the bottom row right here, we've got the Car de Asada, the 85 Honda City Turbo 2, and another 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. Another one of those really cool castings. And our last three cars of the case, we have the 2016 Cadillac ATS VR again. We've got a nice new recolor of the 1973 BMW 3.0 CSL race car. This one is not the supercharged round. This would be the supercharged round of the case if it was, but that is your mainline variation of it. And our last car is the Humvee. Guys, let me know in the comment section down below which is your favorite car in this case. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.